Currently standing at just below where the actual floor of the car wash is going to be sitting, so we're going to have to be bringing in a lot of dirt. A lot of gravel's already starting to show up. We've even got our reclaimed water tanks already sitting buried in the dirt here. So today's really exciting to me. I really like pouring concrete. It's a lot of work, but I think it's a really interesting process. And if you ever followed or learned about concrete, it's a very difficult thing to get right. Shout out to BMMI Bob Miller Masonry. They did my parking lot at my dental office. They're doing all the concrete work at Cletus's new house and his hangar. And Chad Miller, who is part of the family of BMMI, is a good family friend of ours, so we're super excited to have them on board. Really fun day and glad to be here. You pumped? You ever poured concrete before?
Nope.
Oh, you're in for it. Hopefully you didn't wear your nice clothes. You're getting all the air out of there.
Yeah.
Big stuff settled.
Exactly. Good. Just gonna level it off. This part's fun. It's kind of satisfying, you know?
Yeah, it is. Now you're gonna lift that cone off though,
yeah.
Right? Press down on here. There you go. Alright.
Just kind of measure it out.
Measure it back to the top of the cone,
Yeah,
right?
take your rod. You're at like a
6-inch thumb.
That should be fine.
Good to go.
Should be good.
All right, let's start pumping some concrete. Thanks, man. BMMI finished up the job efficiently. We've got a big race tonight. We got Lamollets over at the Freedom Factory. And tomorrow we're doing the burnout at Burnout Rivals with the Copycat, which is our Hellcat manual swap old Dodge Charger police car. So it should be pretty fun. I've been slaving on this thing for like a week. Should lay down a solid rip tomorrow. Let's head to the track.